let's go back into here, right? Like, let's say I wanted to draw a curtain, you know, on the side of this window. Let's say it's on one side. So let's draw something here. I'm just going to draw kind of like a squiggly line thing here. Right, and let's say, do I want to round this off? Let me round this off a little bit. Radius 0.5. Too small? Yeah, that's a little bit too small. All right, let's say there's another, it's a profile of something else. Let's round this off a little bit. Too big. So I basically drew two profiles, right? I'm going to put them kind of on top of each other, just in a plan view, right? And then let's rotate this. Oh, great. I drew this on the wrong plane, but that's okay. I'm just going to rotate it back to where it's supposed to be. I'm going to move this over to where my window is. Let's put it on the edge of the window. And then I'm going to move one of these profiles vertically to some height. Vertically, let's say, whatever. And I'm going to use, I wonder if I could use a loft command with just the open P line. Let's see if that works. Pick this and pick this. Oh, look at that. That's a curtain. I've never made a curtain before. That's a start, right? I could then take this P line and move this vertically up to here, let's say. And then let's say loft it from this one to this one now. Hey, that's not bad. Right, maybe that's tied off over there or something. So let's mirror this. Let's move this actually. Let's move this whole thing over to here. And move this, copy this. Oh, I want to pick the frame. I don't know. That's not bad. I've never done that before, but that's pretty cool. So anyway,